It's the most wonderful time of year still, and this is part 2 of making Christmas cards in Canva. If you didn't see my first video, go ahead and check that out here. And today I'm revealing the printed Christmas cards that I ordered straight through Canva. Here is my pretty Canva box, but before we see what's inside, which I kind of already know because I opened it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. I'm always sharing Canva tips and tricks, and I don't want you to miss anything. So, this is my Canva box, and I actually already opened it because they came so fast that I thought it was surely not the cards already, and that it was possibly more Canva swag, because I do have some cool Canva swag. And then once I got it halfway open and realized it was the cards, I just couldn't stop myself. But this is pretty much how it is. You know, that wouldn't be ripped. And Canva always puts a fun quote. Or it's maybe the same quote. I have to check my other box. I think it's the same quote. And they have a cute little thank you card. And a note. Which, good customer service. The cards are hidden below all of this fun crinkly paper in another box. So let me get that out. Trying not to get this all over my office. Ta-da! Okay. Now, one thing, the cards were nice, packed nice and tight in like a plastic wrap, but I unwrapped them so I could feel them. Like I said, once I started, I couldn't stop myself from opening them, and then we kind of actually needed one for a school project for the kiddos, so it worked out. But that's just the inside of the box. Now, I didn't get envelopes because I'm thinking maybe I didn't see the option, but under where you select the number of copies you want, there's a little box that says include envelopes with my order. So for my order, which was 25 copies, it would have been $4. So it was probably worth it, but I can just get a box of envelopes. I mean, this is a pretty standard size. I'm impressed. Can you hear it? It's a good, this is what I expected. I ordered their cheapest baseline option. I didn't add on any, they have different paper finishes. This is their premium paper, and they have their deluxe paper, which would have actually only taken up my order from $19 to $21. And then they have 3 different finishes, which does adjust the price a little bit as well, but it's all very affordable. I mean, and I'm quite pleased with how they turned out. So again, these were 5x7 invitation cards, and you can order them horizontal or portrait, however you want to design it. And I will post a coupon code below this video. I'll actually remember to do it this time, because last time I'm realizing I never posted the code. Sorry about that. So I have a discount code for 10% off that's good until the end of this month that I will post down below the video. And I gotta say, I'm very pleased. It's always fun to get something from Canva. This is only the second thing I've ever gotten from Canva. They sent me an awesome box of cool swag because I'm part of the Canva certified program. But they just take such care. I love the quote inside and the cards they put in, and it was packaged up nice and tight. And if I order cards again, I would probably just add on the envelope so I don't have to think about it. But I actually think I probably have some in that size on hand. But, for the extra $4 to save a trip to the store would definitely be worth it. And that price does change depending on the quantity. So, again, let me know if you are designing and ordering Christmas cards in Canva. And if you didn't watch the first video where I actually laid out the card, be sure to check that out. The link should be up above. You click that little eye. You want more tips like this, please, if you want more Canva tips like these, please be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.